I want to welcome you to Choosing One Tutorial Center. This is a learning platform. I want to encourage you to subscribe if you are yet to do that. Today, the topic that I want to consider is statistics. And under statistics, we want to calculate the mean, which is also known as average. Mean is the sum of all the values divided by the number of the value given. And mean, which is denoted as S bar, is equals to summation f of s over summation f. That means the product of f and s, where this symbol simply means summation. Let's solve these examples. Calculate the mean of the following. Number one, we have 4, 6, 2, 1, and 7. So for us to calculate the mean, which is also known as S bar, we are going to add this number together. We have 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 over, we are going to count the number of each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5. So we have 4 plus 6, which will give us 10, plus 2 will give us 12, plus 1 will give us 13, plus 7 will give us 20. So we have 20 over 5, and the answer is equals to 4. So that means the mean, which is S bar, is equals to 4. Then number 2, we have 8, 2, 3, 1, 7, 8, 8, 4, 1, 1. So we are going to calculate the mean, which is S bar, which is equals to summation Fs over summation F, which is equals to 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 over 10. So by the time we add this together, we are going to have 43 over 10. Then we are going to write our answer in form of mixed fraction. 10 in 43, we are going to have 4, remainder 3 over 10. And I want to encourage you to try this. Find the mean of the following numbers. Number 1, 2, 3. We have 8, 4, 6, 2, 5, 5. Then you have 3, 2, 1, 6, 8, 4, 7. Then you have 3 whole number 1 over 2, 5 whole number 2 over 3, 1 whole number 1 over 2, 1 whole number 3 over 4. Please answer these questions and put your answers in the comment section. Thank you.